Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm Rusty Blades. We're going to be having a look at the new Apex from Stylecraft today. We're going to have a look at the clipper, a look at some of the features on there, have a look at the box and have a look on the inside of the box. If you stick around to the end as well, I am going to do a weight and I'm going to do a sound decibel check, and we can obviously compare those to the Rebel and the Boosted because they are pretty much the same clipper, just different housings. So let's stop messing about and let's get straight into it. Right guys, so we're going to have a look at the Apex today. This is the clipper, really nice, I really like it, I like the shape of it. A few people have said that it's a bit of a funky shape, but I really like it. How does this clipper perform? Well, I've used it on a fair few cuts now and I've had different hair textures, and I've got to say that I'm really impressed with it. I have put the fusion blade on there because I'm not a big fan of the fade blade, but as a whole it just cuts absolutely superb. I've not had no issues. It goes through the hair like a hot knife through butter. It's got the 5 click lever on there as pretty standard. You can change that and you can have it as a floating lever, but as a beginner barber, I know I've been doing it now for a year, but I haven't done thousands of cuts, so I still consider myself as being a beginner, and I find that the click lever just helps me keep on track on where I am during a fade or any haircut, to be totally honest. It's got the nice little chrome button on there, the switch. Does it cut as good as the Gamma Boosted and the Rebel? Yeah, it does. I find that they all cut pretty similar. I have got one clipper with a fade blade, I've got this one with the fusion, and I've also put the taper blade on the Gamma Boosted. That makes it slightly more forgiving, I find, having the taper blade on there. I may even put it onto this because this is probably going to be my go-to clipper now. Right guys, so this is the box. Again, Stylecraft and Gamma, they always come up trumps. They always have really nice packaging, and it is a nice selling point. They don't scrimp on anything, they don't just put it in a shitty little box. It's always nice packaging. We're going to have a look inside now, and like I said before, I have been using this. It does come with a charging stand, and that's pretty standard with every Stylecraft and Gamma product. This is the clear faceplate, and I am going to actually fit that one. I do like those. I like to have a look and see what's in there. We'll take this out. Inside we've got the usual, we've got the leaflet, we've got the charging, the little bag of goodies there, the oil, the stretch bracket, and also it does come with the double magnetic guards as well, and the colour coded, which is good. You can just look down and pick them up. So that's the box, and that's what's inside. Let's close this up. And now we're going to have a look at the back, and we've got some information here and down here, so I'm just going to read some of this off just so you know. It comes with the Super Torque Japanese rotary motor that runs at 7,200 RPM. It has the tight or the stretch taper bracket, the modular control system, so it's a floating or a click lever like I said before. It's got a fully adjustable blade so you can zero gap it. It has a lithium-ion battery. Again, they always go above and beyond, and you get a 4-hour cordless runtime, which should be the staple for any clipper nowadays. A lot of beginner barbers, you're going to buy certain clippers, they've got shitty batteries in them and they're going to run out before you finish your haircut. It has the heavy duty metal housing with the clear plate, and again, like I've just said, it comes with the 8 double magnetic guards. They are colour coded, and that goes from a 0 up to a number 6. So you've got every blade or every guard there pretty much to see you through. So this has been the Apex. If you're interested and you're in the US, you can go to stylecraft.com and you can use code Rusty10. That will get you a 10% saving, which is good for you. It helps me out and it helps the channel out so I can keep doing videos. If you're in the UK, you can't get the Apex at the moment, but you can get the Gamma boosters behind me. And like I said, it's pretty much the same clipper. It's just different casings, but it's got the same motor in, the same battery and everything. If you want that, you can go to Gamma Plus UK. If you drop me a message on Instagram, if you DM me, I can give you a discount code. I can't give you directly out, but if you listen to me in the US, it might give you a hint of what it is. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, get down in comments, help me out. It helps the algorithm out and it'll get me some views, hopefully. And I'll catch you in the next one. By the way, this is the sound test and the weight test. Catch you in a bit.